1, 2, 3, 4. Da 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 da. Ba 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 ba. Ba 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 da 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 da. And then it carries on like that, and then the chorus. Da da da. Da 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 da. Da 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 dee. But I hope I was your favorite kind. And then the bridge. This is just a demo. I'm gonna walk through everything soon. So you'll notice this song doesn't sound, the way I'm playing it doesn't sound exactly like the original, but that's intentionally because the original is a little bit tough for beginners to do the whole picking pattern. The beginner thing will be, it's also not in the same tuning as I'm with the capo, so the chords are a little bit different, but the original is something like this. And this is a bit fast for most beginners. If you want to learn it like that, I'm sure there are tutorials teaching it in the original way, but this is going to be the way I played it just for you now, with easier chords and really nice, and it sounds nice. I think it sounds nice. What do you think? Let me know. Okay, so the first thing I want to do is just quickly go through the chords. You can download this PDF if you want the chord diagrams and everything, but otherwise you can just watch the video. So G, we got capo on the 2nd fret, and we got this G here, and I'm not even playing the first one, I'm just doing it until there, and I might just show you the picking now as well. Do, din, din, do. 6 3 2 3 6 3 2 3. Okay, and the thumb is always going to be on the root note. The root notes are the green ones. Okay, and the D is going to be here. 6 4 3 4, and the C is going to be here. So just like the G, G, C. And the C you can choose to play it there or to play it here. Whatever sounds the best to you. Okay, and then the E minor is just going to be or like this, where you could actually do that. But don't do that because it's not a good habit. Okay, and then A minor is going to be like this. Boom. But when we get to the A minor, it's just going to be a strum or a pick of all the strings. Alright, so basically for the verse, let's just finish the picking pattern. I'll show you the hard picking pattern as well. It's just the root. Okay, basically simple. Now if you want to do the hard picking, you can do it like this. Let me show you. The things I did so I could call you So really nice things for the more advanced players. This is based on this pen. That's what it's based on. Anyway, so for the verse you just got G, E minor, just going twice on the G. And just repeats like that. You get the idea. And then the chorus is just D, C. Boop, 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 ba, ba, ba. Ba, 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 ba. Ba, da, ba, ba, dee, da, dee, da, da. wanted to do that. But anyway, that's more advanced. Then the bridge is. Now you could use this D that I just did now, or this one. Oh, sorry. The tag is a fan. You could start down strums with the chorus again after the bridge. Anyway, go download the PDF so that you can just have it all nicely printed out. And it's free, it's printable. You just have to register for a free account if you haven't already. And then stay cool, Jooba people. Peace out.